భజే దివ్య ప్రభావం దేవదేవం భజే
Mr. Dilip Kumar Monangi, CEO of RNK Agro and Chemicals Private Limited.
పుంగవం రామం దేవదేవం భజే దివ్య ప్రభావం
He has a vast experience of more than 25 years in fields of marketing and management, worked in prestigious organizations. He had done his education from the most prestigious IIM Ahmedabad with post-graduation program in business management. He acquired the quality of being a great team leader from his college times. He has acquired some of the finest publications to his name, Stress Management and Man Management in 2010 with a strong motive that any business is done by people. People are the key for the success of any enterprise. Managing them in right direction is the key for success. He masters in the fields of business management, people management, new product establishment and many more that are essential in the needs of business. He cares for social causes and services with being working as an active member in a lot of charity and social service organizations. All the best to Dilip Kumar.